So you've purchased a Nectar mattress, but it turns out it's not the sleep solution you were hoping. Don't worry, as many customers find themselves needing to explore how to return a Nectar mattress. Whether it's due to comfort preferences, size issues, or simply not being the right fit, returning a Nectar mattress is relatively straightforward. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Step 1. Understand the trial period. Before you initiate a return, it's crucial to verify that you're still within the 365-night trial period. Nectar offers this risk-free trial to all customers, allowing you to test and evaluate the mattress in the comfort of your home. If you're within this year-long period, you're eligible for a return or exchange with no questions asked. Just make sure to keep track of your purchase date and any relevant paperwork to streamline the process. Step 2. Contact Nectar customer support. Once you've confirmed you're within the trial period, the next step is to contact Nectar's customer support team. You can reach out to them via their website, email, or phone. Explain the reason for your return and provide any requested information, such as your order number and purchase date. The Nectar support team is generally responsive and helpful, guiding you through the return process and resolving any questions you may have. Step 3. Prepare the mattress. After your return request is approved, it's time to prepare the mattress for pickup. Nectar typically collaborates with local partners to manage mattress returns. They will coordinate with you to schedule a convenient pickup date and time. Before the pickup, make sure the mattress is in good condition, free from stains or damage. You don't need to repack the mattress in its original packaging, but ensure it's ready for removal by the designated transportation team. Step 4. Schedule pickup and arrange details. Once your preparation is complete, clarify the logistics with the pickup team. They might need additional information to find your location, so provide clear instructions if necessary. Be at your residence during the agreed pickup window to ensure a smooth handover. Depending on the service, you'll receive confirmation once the mattress is successfully collected. Step 5. Processing the refund. After the mattress is picked up, Nectar will process your refund. This step generally takes a few days to reflect on your original payment method. Keep an eye on your bank or credit card statements to confirm the refund has been processed. If you encounter any issues or delays, don't hesitate to reach back out to customer support, providing any necessary documentation or reference. Returning a Nectar mattress may seem daunting at first, but following these structured steps makes it manageable and stress-free. By understanding your trial period eligibility, contacting customer support, and preparing your mattress for pickup, you can navigate the process smoothly. Remember, the aim is to ensure your satisfaction with a product that meets your sleep needs. Now you're equipped with everything you need on how to return a Nectar mattress. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing that Nectar places customer satisfaction at its core, facilitates seamless returns.